Alright guys, here we are, Eggmanton level crossing in Nottinghamshire with Giant Tallow 5. There we go, time is 10:45 on Sunday the 14th of June 2015. This is for our 10:52 from Lumicky's cross the Leeds. I'm not going off the Skype because Matthew's recording. Can you go on RTT, Matthew, and tell me what this is for?
Yep, let me just put my camera down. Sorry guys, this isn't very high up. Let me just... Okay, that's the best view you can get from
What's that buzzing noise?
That might be my microphone. No, not Twitch.
Not Twitch?
No, Twitch just opened.
Look up Retford.
Okay. And then... I'm sorry guys if any ads do pop up, I'm having computer trouble currently. Retford. Okay. What was it again? Kings to Edinburgh.
Where? I must need head code as well.
Well, was it Kings to Edinburgh? Sorry, you blipped there.
Yeah. Don't look at the Kings, the Hull Kings. The one just before it. A stopper.
10:54. 1 Sierra 10. That should be it. It's 1 Sierra 10 from Kings to Edinburgh.
Alright.
There's no Hull trains on here, weirdly, though.
You're actually on Retford?
Yeah, I'm on Retford.
Right. Next time, I'll have a quick look at the timetable.
Yeah.
Before I do anything.
And
because if I actually go off the page, will it stop the recording?
Yeah, it will. So I'll keep you updated on what trains there are.
Right,
and you basically just saved my YouTube because I have nothing to upload because Collington is being a pain up there. So yeah.
Here she is. We've got a 91 coming. We've got 91. 126. 28. And well, they go another pair. I think Matthew's buzz is trying to say thanks guys, I'll see you in the next video.